Hello guys, welcome to RoboCode, a creative online coding platform for kids. Before starting our video, please do like, share and subscribe RoboCode and press the bell icon to get our new video updates. Now let's get started. Okay friends, so today what we are going to make us like chasing game, or we can say a collecting game. Okay, so I'll just briefly tell you what is the story behind my animation. I have a monkey. That monkey is moving left and right. That means I'm going to give control for the monkey. Okay, so monkey is going to chase, or monkey is going to catch the bananas. But I have an enemy which is an owl. That means you can go and touch the bananas. If you touch the bananas, your score will increase. But when you touch the owl, your score will decrease. But this bananas and owl, or this banana, this set of banana and this owl is moving randomly. Okay, we are not giving control, we'll just give some random movement. We are giving only control for monkey. So when it touches the banana, your score will increase and we'll be updating with some different levels. We'll changing the backdrops, we'll adding the levels. Once it reaches score 20, you will win the game. If your score will be less than 0 or -1, you will lose the game, or the game will be over. Okay, so first of all, I need some backdrops, I need some sprites. Okay, so I already have, if I go and search for the sprites here, no, as like I have some idea. This is monkey and I have this costume, but more than this I like some other costumes of monkey which I got from Google. So I'm going to delete this. I already downloaded that particular GIF from Google, so I'm going to upload that. I'm going to upload not this one. I will choose some other one, which is a GIF. Okay, so if you add GIF also, no problem, you will get it as different costumes. Okay, so I will show you. This is my GIF. It's importing now. So once it is imported, you can see this, since it is a GIF like 3D one or the moving one, I'll get different costumes. Right now you can see it as an image, but if I go to costumes, I'll automatically get all the GIFs here. Okay, so what happened here, if I put forever next costume, I'll get that movement. For example, forever, I want all the costumes, so I'll take next costume like this. This is my GIF. Okay, so based on this movement, I'll be giving controls for my monkey, and I don't want the monkey to be this much bigger, so I'll just keep it as 50. For me this is enough, or let's say 55. Okay, fine. Now I need some bananas, so I'll go and check the bananas in my sprite. Yes, here I have the banana. For banana also I'll keep it as 60. Okay, this is good. I kept my banana here. I need one more sprite, which is my enemy, which is going to be my enemy, which is an owl or bat. Okay, let's say bat. Okay, we can make enemy as bat. So I will reduce the size of bat to these are the 3 sprites. I will give controls for my monkey. I'll give random movement for my bat. I'll give random movement for my bananas also. So my aim is to touch the bananas and escape from the bat. Once I touch the bat, my score will decrease, and when the score reaches -1, my game will over. So in order to get next level, I have to touch the bananas, and once I reach score 20, I will win the game. Okay, so I'm going to add, whenever I going to next level, no, I want to show a next level sprite or something. So I already have next level sprite here. I will add this one, increase the size to 1. Enter. Okay, I need one more back I mean sprite, which which is like I'm going to win the game, no? When I win the game, this is my now I'm going to choose the backdrops. What all backdrops are necessary for me? I'm going to choose backdrops. Okay. After that, we'll start coding. So let me go to, since it is like all related with monkey, bats and all, I'm going to choose some jungle or castle like that backgrounds or backdrops. Jungle is there. Okay, I'll choose jungle. So what I'm going to add here, like, see, whenever I have, like, once it reaches the score 5, no, it will go to next level and it will show a different backdrop. Like that for now, okay? Since this is just a starting game we are doing, we'll be making it very simple. We can make it more advanced by on next level we can increase the speed of the enemies or increase the speed of the treasure that we are going to catch, the bananas, okay? But right now I'm just changing the backdrops only. In coming classes we will add some more changes in the levels also, okay? So I need a different backdrop. I will choose this castle, and then we can choose something else like forest. Then we will go to garden rock. Then we will take tree. Okay, these are the different. I don't want to show this one at the beginning, no, so I will simply go to this one. When flag click, I'm going to hide this first thing because whenever I show my stage or my game, I don't want to show this you win, congratulations, no, because once you got all the scores then only you will win. So I'm going to hide this first. So this is hide. Now this one also I want to hide this also. So when flag click looks, I will hide this one. Okay. Now I am going to monkey. This is my monkey. I'll go to the code of monkey. What I will add? I mean the controls. I will give controls for my monkey. When left arrow press, my monkey will move to left side. Okay, same way right, up and down. So here if you go to controls, I mean events, you can see when space key pressed. We'll take this one and we'll change it to up arrow, for example. And remember there are coordinates, no? So up and down we will use y coordinate, left and right we will use x coordinates. Also if it is up we will use positive y, if it is down we will use negative y. If it is left, we will use negative x. If it is right, we will use positive x. Okay. So here, when up arrow click, I'm going to change y. And I told you up is positive, so I'll keep it like that. Okay. So see, it is moving, but it's not a continuous movement. Okay. So I'm going to repeat, or I can add a forever. Okay. I'll repeat this 10 steps so that it will move continuously. Okay. Now it is moving. I'm going to copy this, Control C, V, V. When down arrow press, we will change this to negative, minus. Similarly, when left arrow, when right arrow, I'll remove this, I'll go to motion, I'll take a change X by, this one also I'll remove, change X by. Left will be minus 10, right will be plus 10. So now if I run this, no, I can move my monkey in all directions. Okay. Next is not monkey's code is not yet done, but I am going to take the banana code. Okay. Banana is going to move randomly. So I'll give that also. When flag click, I will show the bananas. Whenever I click on the flag, I want to show the bananas. Also, my banana will glide here and there to random position. Okay. We don't want to put x and y because random means it will come from different places. That's what we need here. We don't want the monkey to identify from where it is coming. No, we want the monkey to catch the bananas. So we will put this one inside a forever block. Then only it will be continuously gliding. So if I run this, you can see here the bananas are moving. Okay. Now same thing what I did, I will do it for the bat also. I'm going to copy this. You can simply drag and put it inside bat's code. Now my bat also have the same. I will just change the gliding speed to 1.5 or something. Okay, fine. Now banana is moving, bats are moving. Now we will go back to what? We will go back to our monkey's code. I'm going to create a score variable because it all based on the score we'll be deciding whether we win the game or whether we lose the game. Now my score is 0. So when flag click, I will show my monkey. I'll show my monkey. After that, I'm going to set the score to 0 because there are chances score will increases. No? So whenever I click on the flag, I want my score to be 0. Okay. Now, if it is touching the banana, what happened? If it is touching the owl, what happened? If score is equal to -1, what happened? Okay. And everything, I'm going to give some if conditional loop. If this is happening, what? If this is happening, what? Like that. Okay. So if this is if condition, from sensing, we have a touching code. We will put this touching inside this one. If touching bananas, we will change the score by 1. Okay. Same thing. I'll copy and paste. If touching owl or bat, we'll change the score by -1. We play the sounds also. Okay. For example, I'll go to sound, biting sound, bite sound. Then I will I'm taking this sound. I will go to sounds. I will play a sound. I'll play a sound when it touches the ball. Okay. Now one more condition I am adding. If my score is equal to, okay, score, if my score is equal to -1, that is what I am, or less than 0, we can put -1. Okay, -1, I will switch my backdrop to game over. Okay, so for that I have to create a backdrop also. I have a backdrop for game over, so I will put this backdrop. Okay, fine. And for this backdrop code, now it is showing game over, so I don't want to show that. Whenever I click on the flag for backdrops in the backdrop code, whenever I click on flag, I want this one. This is my other backdrop. I want the jungle as the first one. So I will switch the backdrop because there is no hide options for backdrop. That's why I'm switching the backdrop to jungle. Okay. So when I click on the flag, I'll got the jungle only. Okay, now I'm going back here. So if score is equal to -1, I will switch the backdrop to game over. That is done. Okay. Now I got something, but I have to put this in a forever. Then only it will continuously happen. See, nothing is happening. So I'm going to put a forever block here, and I'll put everything inside, all the condition inside forever. If I stop and run this, my score is increasing. Okay, so that part is done. Now I'm going to do the level increasing part. I have different backdrops. No, very simple code I'm going to add is like here when flag click, I will switch my backdrop, to jungle. That's all. So I will wait until Okay, I will wait until my score is equal to 5. Let's say 5. We will start with very small score. Okay. Now control C V. I will, once my I reaches 5 now, I will change the backdrop to different one and I'll wait for score 10. Then I'll switch the backdrop to different one, garden. I'll wait for 15. Then I'll switch the backdrop to castle. Wait for, I will switch the backdrop to my last one, which is tree, not costume, backdrop to tree. Okay, once it's when it switches the backdrop to tree, here we'll do one thing, like we will set the, we can play a sound because we are going to win the game, no? So I will go to events and backdrop switches to tree. That is my last backdrop. If I got score 20, I'll get this tree. So whenever the backdrop switches to tree, I will show this particular sprite. Okay, so I will add a show block here. I will play a sound because I win the game, so I can add some dancing sound or some good sounds, let's say this one. So I will add a sound, play sound. I will wait this, add this for few seconds, 2 or 3 seconds. After that I will stop everything. Let's say wait 3 seconds and then I will stop all. Okay, similarly next level, next level also we have to add something, like when we switch the backdrop to forest, we will show this next level. We will add a wait, we'll show it for 1 second. Okay, so when backdrop switches to, for first one we don't need, for second one we will add the show block, because once you got 5 points then it switches to forest. At that time you have to show next level. Okay, then wait for 1 second, then looks, I will hide it after 1 second. Similarly I will copy this for my castle backdrop. When I go to castle backdrop also same effect, same way. When I go to garden rocks also I'll get the same effect. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I'm almost done. We'll see the output. Okay, so when flag click, I got 1 point. This one I can see, just game over. Next level thing. I'm supposed to touch the banana slowly. I have to escape from the bat in order to reach the level. Next level. Okay, this is very difficult thing now. Yes. Okay, now this is my third level. Okay, and my last level. Very beautiful game. So this is just a basic game only. We can make a lot of different features inside it. So if you like the game, please like, share and subscribe. Try to do this game with your idea, and whatever things you are adding, just put it as a comment. So I'll come up with a very wonderful, interesting game on my next video. So see you. Take care. Bye bye.